Okay, to submit assignment, go here to modules. Remember, you have to mark done on all of these, or it will not let you get to here. Okay, so this is your week 1 introduction. You just click on here and it will take you to the introductions. You can see there's 11, but you have to post before you can see the others. So you just hit reply and post here. I highly recommend that you do it in Word. Run the editor so we can understand what your posting is. Okay, click next. This takes you to this. Okay. So after you finish it, this is the rubric on how your assignment will be graded. Okay, so you go here to choose file. You can do this, open. It will take docs and then submit assignment. Click next. Your signed syllabus. Upload file. Last page of syllabus. Click open. And there's no, it will accept anything. Click next. Then when you get here, take the quiz. Okay, gives you, go through, take your quiz, then submit. Oh, I just click okay because I'm not here to answer. Okay, just shows me that I did that unanswered. All right, and I can't go on because this is locked until next Monday, right? Good luck.